Angel Reese turns what began as internet banter into empowerment with her first signature sneaker, the Reebok Angel Reese 1 MEBounds. The bold nickname now symbolizes control of her story, aligning with her reputation as the fastest WNBA player to hit 600 points and 600 rebounds and owner of the rookie double-double streak record. Dressed in vibrant pink, the shoe stands out with stacked overlays, flowing lines, and classic Reebok vector branding at the toe. Personal details on the heel and tongue tie the design directly to Reese. More than a sneaker, the MEBounds reflects her confidence, resilience, and ability to reshape criticism into strength. Launching September 18 via Reebok.com and select retailers, the release underscores Reese's rising status as both the dominant force on the court and a fresh influence in sneaker culture, blending empowerment with bold style.